For the past 8 years, the Drug Enforcement Administration has collected more than 9 million pounds of expired, unwanted, or unused prescription medications. Saturday was National Prescription Drug Take-Back Day. The Now KC's Mackenzie Nelson takes a look at how the event is helping address the opioid crisis.
Nationwide, the public has been embracing the opportunity to prevent pill abuse and theft.
Well, mainly it's because of the opioid crisis that we're suffering right now.
Michael Hadaway is the chief pharmacist at Swope Health. He says due to the opioid crisis, there should be more drug take-back days throughout the year.
When you have these medications sitting around unused on your kitchen shelf or your medicine cabinet, there's a chance for somebody who's a child to get into them or somebody to steal them.
According to SafeMed LA, nearly 70% of people who misuse or abuse prescription drugs get them from a friend or family member.
I think most of the medications are stolen out of the household by family members or friends or somebody acquaintances that come over and they're snooping through the medicine cabinet and they see something they like.
That's why Hadaway suggests utilizing Drug Take-Back Day. In Overland Park alone, nearly 1,800 pounds of prescription drugs were collected on Saturday.
Those numbers are really outstanding numbers, and that lets us know that the community, they are bringing their drugs, their unwanted prescription medication into us, and that's what we want. We want them to continue to do that.
Since 2011, the city has collected almost 19,000 pounds. Officer John Lacey says once the drugs are collected, they'll be taken to St. Louis and put in an incinerator. Hadaway says because the drug take-back days are few and far between, it's best to flush the opioids as soon as you can. Or you can throw them away, but not by themselves.
Putting the medication in there and putting something unpalatable in there, like cat litter, used coffee grounds.
Last fall, the DEA collected 912 pounds of prescription drugs on Drug Take-Back Day. What they collected on Saturday has not yet been released. In Kansas City, Mackenzie Nelson for the Now KC.
The DEA holds 2 National Drug Take-Back Days every year, once in the spring and then once in the fall. And if you're looking to get rid of medications before the next event, you can actually drop them off at the Overland Park Police Department year-round.